What's good, guys? On today's vlog, Oka-chan builds his gym set, his dream gym set. But not really, that's not actually what's going to be the vlog today. Vito-san's back with his S15. He's getting coilovers and an alignment, which is gonna make that thing feel 10 times better than it used to. Hopefully cage happens on the S15 today as well, but you know, my motivation's kind of lacking because, hang on, let me just show you. It's pretty much been pouring like this since late last night. This is the second typhoon to hit this week. And it's just like the outline, the sides of the typhoon are hitting Japan. So it's just a lot of rain, no wind. So it kind of sucks. And it's very cold because it's coming into winter. You don't need to duck, man. It's okay. Look, this is Vito, everyone.
Hey, guys.
You don't need to duck, all right? Goose. Anyways, let's get on with the vlog.
The question is, Sam is actually a lot taller than Oka-chan. So this is going to be interesting how this turns out.
Mainly in the legs though, not the torso.
Oh!
Never thought I'd be doing this at Yashio factory. There's a welding gun quite close to my crutch right now. I'm just waiting for like a molten lava spark to just land in that area.
Oh, Sam. It really doesn't look good for you.
It doesn't look good right now?
No.
This is hilarious.
There are sparks flying next to you, your important bits, man.
That's fine. He's getting a bit close to me there, right? Okay. 休憩。
肩が上がっちゃったね。
そう、もっとこっち。Yeah.
More than
Fix my posture.
More than just a drift
Not
teacher.
only is he coaching me and teaching me how to build SRs and cool S chassis, but he's also helping me get some muscle on because these lanky things need it. So I haven't really been filming the progress on this, but coilovers are in. Vito-san's just taking it for a little test drive. And let me show you this wheel gap. If you saw it before, the wheel gap was nuts. You could literally fit like almost 2 fists under here sideways. But really, guys, nice little bit of wheel gap there. It's not like, whoa, what just rocked up? Is that a Datsun Sunny? That is the coolest thing in the world. We'll look at that in a little bit. But yeah, nice little bit of wheel gap. It's not tucked or anything because Vito-san loves his mountain runs and stuff like that. So a little bit of Ebisu spec. Well, pretty much this is Ebisu spec. And where he lives in Tochigi, there's a lot of steep driveways and things like that. So it's perfect for him. So I'm pretty keen, man, to hear your feedback once it's a dry night and you're able to smash those mountains and tell me the difference. Because you've been, what, smashing it on factory coilo suspension now for how long? Like what, months now? Ever since you've had the car? Yeah, literally completely stock Nissan suspension. I don't know, it's hard to see in there, but look at that. So Vito-san's heading off now. Hopefully he enjoys that, has some fun tonight. But we got this customer's GTR in, which is a very clean 32 GTR, mind you. But the factory downpipe, or front pipe as they call it, I can't get over how small they were on the GTR. It's crazy. That's like only like 1.5 inches. And we just bolted this guy on. Fukusawa-san just got this bad boy on from HKS. And look how much thicker that is. This is like 2.5 inch from 1.5 inch. So it's gonna be a big difference. Also, our customer got a nice HKS exhaust as well. So should sound pretty nice now. And yeah, it's a very clean 32 GTR actually. Very, very, very clean. So any of you guys that have 32 GTRs and still have the factory downpipes, I definitely recommend changing that out because that's definitely a restriction and a half. That's for sure. So we just got the Silvia inside and it's gotten dark. It's been a while since I picked up the camera. We had some visitors come, so you know, between showing them cars and talking and selling merch and all that kind of stuff, time flew by very, very quickly. Oka-chan's now dropping them off at the train station and we're finally getting started on this thing. So we're going to jack it up, get it on the stand, and well, the lift, sorry, not the stand, and we're going to change out that drive shaft. Once we've changed the drive shaft, we're then going to probably move the car in here, and it's going to live there for probably the next day or two while we do the roll cage. So we've got a lot to do. Let's get the time lapse rolling, get started. So I've just removed the titanium exhaust, Yashio factory titanium exhaust off my car. And I still can't get over how light this is. Like when I installed it, it was light, but this is so freaking light. Like I can just sit here and balance the exhaust off my hand. It's ridiculous. It doesn't even weigh, like, it feels like it doesn't even weigh a kilo. It's insane. This is very cool. Sorry, I'm not flexing. Okay, maybe a little bit, but oh my God, it's so cool. Just the usual Friday night for me, delivering a baby from an S15. Same old, same old. You're probably wondering, why on earth am I removing a diff to change drive shafts? And I wanted the same thing, but so we don't mess up the alignment. So what we're going to do now is just take off the bolt here and the shaft will come out this way. And it only takes you 30 minutes to really drop a diff when you've got all the right tools. So anyways, now we're going to undo this, slide her out, slide the freshie in. Well, kind of second-hand rusted one in until we gave the shaft a little bit of a tap with the rock mallet, and she moved right away. None of that slaving for days trying to get a shaft out. This thing's coming right out. Okay. It's a twins today. Twins. And there's the issue right there. I don't know if the camera's going to focus on it, but there's the big crack there. It's starting to get worse and worse. This thing can go off and get rebuilt. Sounds pretty bad in there. We've got the S14 one here. She's a bit crusty and a bit dirty, so we're going to hit her with some brake cleaner and lube up the shaft here. Make sure that it's not going to get stuck in my hub, because we are going to be changing this out for a nice, freshly rebuilt one. Lucas Salson's making a lot of noise right now. Hopefully you can still hear me. But yeah, we'll clean this up, slap her in. So I just got the diff back in, but I wanted to take a moment to just show you guys this crack actually got worse since yesterday. So glad we were switching it out today. And you see there, it's like one of the balls from the inside is just getting pressed harder and harder against the housing and pushing itself out. It's kind of a little bit scary, but glad we're switching this out. So this will get sent off and they'll give us a new one back. And I'm gonna keep chugging away at this because I want to get this done in like the next 15 minutes, which is kind of a bit of a mission, but I know I can do it. So just finished with the drive shaft, got everything bolted in there, exhaust, everything, diff, all solid, ready to go. And all we got to do now is put the wheel on. So I'm just going to bring it down a little bit, put the wheel on, and then I'm not sure where we're going to store it tonight. It probably might end up just staying on the hoist until tomorrow when we do the cage. But it's about time we started thinking about heading out and getting dinner anyways. So kind of worked out okay. It's been a long time, but there she is, just chilling in between two S chassis. Oh boy, I'm actually so keen to drive this thing. It's kind of been driving me crazy. Miss this thing a lot. All right, let's squeeze in the driver's seat, see if she'll start first go. How you been, old girl? I missed you. Oh my God, please start. Please don't break. Oh, I haven't heard these noises in a long time. Ah, back to life. The Skyline lives. Oh. Oh, that clutch. Oh, the S15's been treating me so much nicer than this clutch. So this is dinner tonight, lads. We got ginger pork, cabbage, mayo, rice, pickles, and soup. Gonna chow down. Gosto sama deshita. How good is that? all done. That was an amazing meal. It really does feel good to be driving around in the Skyline again. I don't really know how to explain this or what to say, but like the Skyline, like the R chassis and the S chassis, they really are two completely different things. And while the R chassis has its perks, so does the S chassis. And while the R chassis has its cons, so does the S chassis, you know, vice versa, right? And I just can't get over, like, it's been like almost a week without driving the Skyline, and I just jumped in her and drove it home, and it feels so good. I am so pumped and excited because not only did we get lots of stuff done today with the S15 and at Yashio factory and just all around had a really good time there, but we also just got over 100k subscribers. So some things to look out for. One, a live stream coming soon on the main channel, which is just going to be essentially 100k subscriber live stream Q&A kind of thing. And then two, keep an eye out for the 100k subscriber celebration video. And then three, keep an eye out in about a month or so is normally how long it takes for the 100k plaque video. You have no idea, like, it's blowing my mind that we are here already. I'm so excited, and I'm already starting to now go, well, I focused on 100k for so long now, I guess I need to start thinking about 1 mil. So 1 mil for 2021 for Sam. No, I mean, I don't want to say that's probably not going to happen, but statistically it's probably not going to happen. You know what I mean? Anyways, all of that aside, today was a great day. We got the drive shaft switched out, so my old one will get it sent off to be rebuilt. The car's ready tomorrow to be moved to get the cage in, although I'm not sure if I'm going to Yashio factory tomorrow yet. Yet to be decided. We'll find out tomorrow. And just, yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited for the 100k video. Me and Oka-chan playing some cool stuff. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share your love down in the comment section. Tell me what was your favorite video that you watched since 0 subscribers to 100k subscribers. When did you join? When did you, tell me. I want to hear. I want to know when you guys joined. I want to know when you guys subbed, and like, what was your favorite video? What made you sub, and that kind of stuff. I don't know. Let's turn this into a cool comment section. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Jamata.